Bought this little generator to use as a quick means to provide a few lights, a fan, and get my internet powered up in the event of power outage, since now I am working at home during COVID-19. Wanted something light and easy, and most importantly an inverter so as to have clean power for electronics and also dual fuel. Propane is so much safer to store than gasoline, and since gasoline today has ethanol in it, the gas you use for your cars is terrible in small engines and carburetors, so using gasoline will cause you problems down the road. What I like, easy start, very quiet, will accept parallel kit with another champion inverter so you can stack your wattage for higher output. Great instructions, great product support from seller, Supergen products. Calm, amazing customer service. What I don't love, being an old guy I prefer mechanical knobs and switches, so I don't love the high-tech instrument panel. I worry that the soft touch buttons will fail. But only time will tell. Things to consider when you buy a generator. Regular generators do not output clean, safe AC power. Each time a load is added, the output may roll off and then surge again. That is bad for sensitive electronics. But with an inverter, these produce AC from an alternator, same as non-inverters do, but then convert the AC to DC and then back to AC through their internal circuitry that handles all possible fluctuations. So if you are hooking up a computer or other electronics, you need an inverter. This is also a closed frame generator / inverter, meaning it is insulated in a way to dampen the sound. Most of these, like this one, are made for campers and RVers, so they want a quieter generator. Your average home center open frame generators can be very loud. So when you look at the noise ratings for dB, decibels, you need to understand what those numbers mean and how they work. For example, a generator rated at 70 dB compared to one rated at 60 dB is 10 times louder than the 60 dB. And then if you are talking 80 dB, that is 100 times louder, and 90 dB is 1000 times louder. That is because dB, decibels, are on a logarithmic scale. So something to keep in mind. Purchase this generator for power outages, which occurs frequently in spring and fall due to server weather. First impressions, the unit was very well packaged and arrived with no damage. Instructions were clear and simple to follow. Accessories-wise, it comes with an angled funnel, a 12V USB adapter, hose and regulator for a propane tank, and an ice clamp which mounts onto the regulator, allowing you to store the hose on the generator's handle for easy access. It is fairly light and can be carried with one hand. Leaving a product review on the Champion website also earned you a nice t-shirt. Added 0.4 of 10W30 and hooked up the propane tank, took about 2 minutes. As others have stated, the unit will not start on full choke or in the run position. You have to find that sweet spot somewhere in between run and full choke. With 2 pulls, it fired up. Ran a 900W microwave as a test and all seemed as advertised. The unit is fairly quiet, it not so noisy that you have to shout to have a conversation when standing next to it. Click on the link below to see price.